Hey you guys, it's affiliate.watch here. If you don't know what affiliate.watch is, it's a platform to find the best affiliate programs, networks, and niches out there. We're also in the Google Play Store and we're currently ranked number 1 or 2 for the keyword affiliate. And I'm super pumped up to share some exciting news with you guys. I just integrated a new affiliate network into affiliate.watch called Travelpayouts. They're actually the biggest travel affiliate network out there and they've been around since 2011. And you can see some of the very famous companies they're partnered with, such as TripAdvisor, Expedia, Viator, Get Your Guide, Kiwi.com, and many other companies. And on my website, affiliate.watch, you can see the different commission structures, as well as more information on each individual page, such as the minimum payout, the cookie length, the payment methods, how they pay you out, the CEO, the launch year, the Alexa ranking, etc., etc. We provide a lot of key data points so affiliates can find the best affiliate programs and find a lot of information about them. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to sign up to travelpayouts.com. And I also have a link below. Make sure to click that link if you want to support affiliate.watch. And you can see right here, they paid out $31 million to affiliates since 2011. Over 300,000 affiliates are using travel payouts. They have over 100 travel affiliate programs. And that may not sound like a lot of programs, but you guys have to understand it is quality over quantity, and they are partnered up with some of the biggest travel companies out there. So there's some really good offers. And you can see right here, just in February, last month, the top affiliate earned $221,000, which is absolutely huge. And you can see right here, it's easy withdrawal. They pay once a month. They have different payout methods depending on which country you're from. And if we go down a bit, you can see some of the advanced tools they have. So they have the standard tools such as the links, different landing pages you can send customers to, as well as banner ads. That's pretty much standard for every affiliate program out there. However, they have a lot of other really awesome tools that most affiliate programs and networks don't really offer, such as an SDK for iOS and Android, so you can build your own custom apps to find air flight tickets. They also have an API, so you can build web apps, etc. They have widgets, so if you're not a coder, you can basically copy and paste a few lines of code and people can start, finding different deals around the world on resorts and flights and different things like that. And they also have a white label product, okay? And they talk about how travel is a very profitable niche, especially coming up because the last couple of years, there was a lot of restrictions and there wasn't much freedom of movement around the world. However, a lot of countries are slowly getting rid of those restrictions, and so travel is going to probably become big again. At least I'd like to hope so. And you can easily come here and you can sign up. It's a very simple application. From what I remember, you don't even have to get approved for the network. You just have to get approved for the affiliate programs. And then it will log you into your dashboard that will look like this. However, I don't have any sales yet or clicks because I literally just signed up and I'm still applying for programs. However, this will change soon. If you come here and you click programs, you can search for programs. For example, we could search Kiwi and then click enter, and it will go ahead and pop up kiwi.com, and we can do the same for about every program out there. And you can also break it down by different categories, by different tools, geo-targeting to different countries, etc., etc. And you guys can come here and you can see all the affiliate programs. You can see most of the programs require pre-approval, but not all of them do. And some of the programs, they will accept, standard sites. However, a decent amount of the programs only want travel-related content. So if you're willing to build a travel-related site, then you can get approved by the large majority of these, especially after you build up a little bit of traffic. However, you guys, don't be scared. Apply to the companies. You can always apply later if you get rejected. That's normal in affiliate marketing. And you can also see the different details about them, such as, how much commission you get, the ECPC, the average price, and the cookie lifetime, the languages they serve, etc. And then if we go in the reporting section, you can build these cool custom reports. Obviously, I can't do it just because I just signed up to the network. However, you can even break it down by each specific program or country or device type. And then this is the finance section. So basically, this will show you your balance and how much commissions you have. You'll be able to see all your payments here, and then you can edit your payment details there. Pretty self-explanatory. We went over some of the tools on the homepage. However, that didn't cover all the tools, okay? You can see they have something called the money script. It says if your website already has links to travel resources such as booking.com, Kayak, Get Your Guide, and others, you can quickly replace them with Travelpayouts affiliate links. This will make money on users who follow the links and buy travel service. And this will help save you a lot of time. It's very easy to install, and they have a quick and flexible configuration. They also have widgets like we went over earlier, and this is absolutely great if you're not a coder and you just want to throw something maybe on your blog sidebar or something like that. Of course, the standard links that you guys are all used to. And then this goes into more about their white label solution. They also have a WordPress plugin that is currently being used by over 8,000 websites. They have an API for programmers who want to build custom applications. They also have some data files, so you can download files and other data with directories. And then you can use that data files for mass generation of links or content creation. They have the mobile app templates ready to go, built for you for Android and iOS, and it's customizable. And they have banners. And you can easily add these banners with just a few clicks into your websites. It's very easy. And then they even have an academy, so they can, teach you how to get started with Travel Payouts. Travel Payouts for Beginner is one of their courses, as well as partnering with Travel Payouts is their second course. And then another really cool thing about the Travel Payouts affiliate network that I haven't seen with most companies is they provide a bunch of bonuses and promotions for you. So for example, if we go down here, they have promotions for hosting and all these different services that may be very useful for a lot of affiliates, and they're partnered up with a lot of these companies. So that's basically just a huge bonus on top of everything else. And I think this affiliate network is very solid. I'd highly recommend signing up. I will have that link down below. If you guys have any other questions about affiliate.watch, about Travel Payouts Network, or about affiliate marketing in general, just leave it down below in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And make sure to check out affiliate.watch. And I hope you guys have an amazing rest of the day.